Here I have OnePlus 7T Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's activate the dial pad. Let's start with the first secret code. So let me show you how to check the hardware PCB version. All you need to do is use *#888#, and as you can see, the factory mode with the following information pops up. So you can just read those info, or you can go back by using the back gesture. Right now, let me show you how to check the software version of your phone. All you need to do is use *1234#, and the software version pops up. Tap OK to close this window. Now it's time to check simply IMEI number. All you need to do is use this code *06#, and IMEI number just pops up in front of you. Tap OK to close this window. Alright, now let me show you how to check out some more information by using the hidden code. All you need to do is open this mode by code *66#, and here we've got check and encrypt IMEI, so you can read here a few information. You may also go back and check the weather of your device. So all you need to do is use *55688#, and the weather service pops up. Let me tap allow all the time, tap open. And of course, here if you have enabled the localization and other stuff, here you've got your weather from AccuWeather. And now let me open the Android testing menu. So all you need to do is use this code *4636#*, and testing menu pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here phone information, when you can read current network, signal strength. You can run a ping test or use more key in order to view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, or enable data connection. You can also go back and open usage statistics. Here you've got the list of all apps, when you can read last time use or usage time. You can also go back here to use Wi-Fi information and select Wi-Fi API. Here you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks, or get connection info. You may also here choose Wi-Fi config. Here you should find configured networks. You can select Wi-Fi status, and here you can refresh or start or run a ping test. Use back key twice, and let me quit this mode. Here you can also open the calendar info, the calendar storage. So in order to do it, let's use **225#*, and calendar info pops up in front of you. If you've got some information in your calendar, here you should find them. And you may also here open the FCM diagnostic. So all you need to do is use *426#*. This is the FCM diagnostic. Here you can use more key and open the advanced view. You may also use the factory data reset code. So if you would like to do it, if you would like to hard reset your device, wipe all data, let's use *#*94732224##, and the device is performing the factory data reset, but don't worry, it will for now just open the recovery mode. Then you will be able to cancel this operation. Alright, here let me choose English, select wipe data and cache if you would like to accomplish the hard reset, or if you would like to quit this, let's choose exit, and here power off or reboot. Let me tap reboot twice. Right, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.